Here's a demo of the Neighborhood Street Route Planner.
The Neighborhood Street Route Planner is a disaster recovery planning tool. This is tapping into new technologies. Drones are the next thing for disaster recovery. They allow for us to go over damaged roads, to go into damaged places, and to take pictures and evaluate what's going on. For example, after Hurricane Harvey, areas of the Fort Bend County were inaccessible via car. This would allow for us to evaluate the damage from above. All you would need to be able to do is to get to a certain location, then fly the drone over the neighborhood area and figure out what's going on there. The drones don't work like cars though. We can't take the typical routes that a garbage truck or a postman would follow. We need to actually take into account that a drone has to start in one place and typically has to come back. Otherwise, we'd be sending a car to go pick it up at the end. This is where our product comes in. Our product uses what's called the Euler Tor. The Euler Tor is an algorithm that uses every road and comes back to the beginning. Our product combines the power of OpenStreetMaps, Overpass API, and the Euler Tor to create the UAV route planner for disaster recovery. We call it the Neighborhood Street Route Planner. Here are some examples of our product in action.
Here's an example of an ideal use case. The user selects Draw Bounding Box and draws a bounding box over their desired area. The user then selects OK. Then the user selects Extract Route. A route starts to generate in blue with a light red background. The user then selects Download, names the file Northeast Rosenberg, and then looks through the file. The user also has the ability to change their mind about the bounding box they just drew. Instead of selecting OK, the user can select Cancel instead. Cancel allows the user to restart where they were at and allows for them to include potentially more or less roads. Here's an example of the Eulerian Tor generator working on a very large area that happens to have very unique roads. For example, on the right side of Orchard, Texas, there are some very obscure shaped roads that allow for this to show that it shines not only in grid roads like in Rosenberg, but as well as cul-de-sacs and roads with curves and weird features. Thanks for watching.